Today we are doing the colourful fountain experiment with my sister Avani.
Hello! Guys, are you all ready?
1. Take 2 measuring cups. Each add 2 spoons of baking soda, 5 drops of different colour and some detergent.
And then red one.
Okay.
Pass that to Shane. Take off for Shane and Bonnie.
Number 2. Fill the 3rd cup with 80 millilitres of water, some golden paper and 2 spoons of citric acid, stirring well.
That's it.
Doesn't matter.
Put a bit more in.
Action.
3. Pour the citric acid water into the 2 baking soda cups quickly and the fountain gushed out in a continuous stream. Starting to come up!
Okay.
Please. Oh, it's coming down! Daddy, it's coming down! Daddy, it's working! It's starting to get pink. Oh.
It's not working anymore. Daddy, my...
Okay, that's enough.
There's so much coming down.
Not too much. That's it.
You put all of it in. Oh no, there's a flood. Oh no, there's a flood. Oh no, there's a flood. The vacation. Hopefully you enjoyed our video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.